How to fix GoodRx application not loading. First of all, you simply have to force close the application itself from running in the background, and also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, switch to a better network, and also try to turn off all the VPN services if you have turned it on. Now, open your device's app gallery and locate the GoodRx application icon. Once you find it, go ahead and long press the icon itself. However, I have not yet downloaded the GoodRx application because it is not available within my region, but once you find the application icon, simply long press it, then tap on this app info panel. From here, you simply have to scroll down and head to the storage and cache option. From here, proceed to clear the cache of the GoodRx application to remove all sorts of corrupted files downloaded within the application. Once you do this, relaunch and your problem will be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.